How to delete a post on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to delete a post you've made on Instagram. Posted something you regret? It's really easy to delete, folks, so let's get started. First, choose which post you want to delete. After selecting it, just tap on these three dots at the top. You'll see more options appear and you'll want to select the last option, Delete Media. Then confirm the deletion by tapping Delete Media. Remember, if you regret deleting it, you have 30 days to restore it. Look in recently deleted posts. Just tap Delete Media. You can also delete reels, not just posts. Click here to select reels you want to remove. Just tap on the reel you want. Tap the three dots and select Delete. Remember, you can restore these within 30 days too. Just tap Delete. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care everyone. God bless. Thanks.